How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted chats on Instagram. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Select Account Center from the top. From here, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Then choose Download Your Information. Scroll down a little and tap on Download or Transfer Information for Instagram, then hit Next. Now select some of your information and scroll down until you find Messages. Select Messages and tap Next. After that, for the date range, select All Time so you don't miss anything. Leave the rest of the options as they are and tap on Create Files. Instagram will now prepare your data and you'll be notified by email once it's ready. This usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes. Once you get the email, tap the Download button. You'll be asked to re-enter your Instagram password, so do that and tap Continue. After the file is downloaded, open the Files app on your iPhone. Go to On My iPhone, then Downloads. Now unzip the downloaded folder. Now open the folder, tap on Your Activity, then go into Messages. Here you'll be able to see your inbox, message requests, and all your chats. You can open any conversation and view messages that were previously deleted. And that's it. That's how you can recover deleted Instagram chats.